Hi, everyone, and welcome. Today, we'll be taking a step by step journey through loading a Hiren's Boot CD on your computer. Boot CDs are handy tools for troubleshooting issues, installing new operating systems, or running diagnostics. Keep in mind, some newer computers might not have CD drives, and in those cases, you'd likely use a bootable USB drive instead. All right, to get started, we'll need a couple of things. First up, a Hiren's bootable CD. This bootable CD has the files needed to troubleshoot issue on your computer. You can create a Hiren's boot CD using programs like ISO or Rufus. Now, to access the BIOS, which is the computer startup program, we'll need to restart it. As it boots up, keep an eye out for the key that lets you enter BIOS setup. This is usually F2, F10, or delete, but it can vary depending on your computer's manufacturer. The key you need will often be displayed on the boot screen itself, so look for something like press delete to enter setup. Once you're in the BIOS, we need to find the boot order settings. The exact location might differ based on your BIOS version, but they're typically under a menu like Boot or Boot Options. Once you find them, use the arrow keys to move the CD-ROM drive to the top of the list. This tells your computer to try booting from the CD first. Finally, don't forget to save your changes and exit the BIOS setup. With the BIOS configured, let's pop that Hiren's bootable CD into your computer's CD drive and restart again. Now your computer should attempt to boot from the CD. If everything went smoothly, you should see the boot menu for the Hiren's bootable CD on your screen. The menu will vary depending on the Hiren's CD you're using, but it will typically allow you to launch the program stored on it. Once you start the program, just follow the on-screen instructions. That's all there is to it. I hope this presentation has been helpful, and thanks for joining me.